y'all. I'm super excited here to talk to you today. Set to achieve. Yesterday I was sitting here, right here in my bedroom, okay? Sitting here by my computer, okay? And I get notified, okay? I get a notification that somebody purchased my course, the Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle. And a couple of hours later, another notification, and then another one, okay? So I got 3 sales consecutively yesterday, okay, of my Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle, okay? Teaching you the ways that I've been able to break out of the rat race. I left nursing. If you're new to my content, I left nursing in 2020, okay? After I had worked for over a decade as a registered nurse. And I decided that, you know what, enough was enough, okay? I decided to change my life, okay? Today, I'm able to make money from the comfort of my own home, sitting in my bedroom. Okay, guys? Please, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, join the family, like the video to share to more people, leave your comments, and let's get to it, guys. I was able to make $150 sitting in my house, sitting in my bed, my bedroom, actually my bedroom office. I have my computer here. You can see I have my computer here, my table. I can, what's my drinks? My drinks, so guys, you can make this money, okay? What I love about the Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle and why I made it that way is because so that people will be without excuse, okay? It's very priced, very, very affordably, very, very recession priced, okay? It's $49.99 for the whole bundle, including the middleman business guide. So learn how to make money with your middleman business by connecting with local businesses and, you know, and then getting them customers. And when you get them a customer, the customer does not, the customer is not approved unless you're paid, okay? So you get your booking fee or your finder's fee or whatever you want to call it, and then you send the job to the or dispatch the jobs to the service providers. That's the middleman business guide, okay? That's included in the Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle because it's multiple streams, so you're not stuck to just one thing. Then I have the How to Quit Your 9 to 5 and Make a Full-Time Income with Your Car, includes 72 different apps. I got started. I was able to break out of narcissistic abuse at home and from nursing. I was able to leave nursing and start doing delivery, okay? And I was able to make money consistently with delivery. And then I also paired it with braiding, okay? So I became a mobile braider, and so that goes on to my mobile business guide, how to run a mobile business. And finally, I have the Passive Riches Bundle, teaching you how to do what I'm doing right now, digital marketing. Talking about what it is that you sell, promoting your product and then selling. People, you're not even really selling, you're just promoting, okay? And people that follow you, people that see your video, that come across your video, they can purchase it, okay? I made it a comprehensive guide and I priced it all. Now, the value of everything is over $500, but I priced everything at $49.99 so that nobody will have any excuse to say, oh, this, oh, I don't have a car, oh, this, because you can make money right from your bedroom, just like I am. You can make money from the park. You can make money from wherever you are, from the beach. You can make money from your car. By learning what the course teaches, you can make money from anywhere. And I'm so keen about the Passive Riches Bundle, especially, you know, because that one alone should probably be priced at $99 alone, okay? Because it includes 8 different guides, faceless marketing guide. What else? the social media planner. It includes so many different things, teaching you how to effectively brand yourself, hashtags, the right hashtags, and brand your digital products and then sell it. Launch it and sell it effectively. Effectively. It teaches you how to do that so that you can make money passively. Okay? You put it out one time and it can make money from you. It has the potential to make money for you over and over again if you promote it correctly. So how to promote effectively, how to launch it, how to market it, how to brand it, brand yourself. And branding yourself is just all about being yourself. Creating know, like, and trust. Okay? Let people know about you. Let them get to like you, know you, trust you. Okay? And I made it $49.99 because I don't want nobody giving any excuse. Okay? For less than a cart of groceries. We know how much groceries are. Typically on a Sunday, when we go to Walmart to shop, I'm spending over $100 on a typical Sunday. From water to paper towels to detergent to liquid soap to body wash or cheese and all those different things. Okay, so for $49.99, for less than half of a grocery trip, you can literally change your life. You know, because knowledge is power. Okay, and even the Bible says that we're transformed by the renewing of our mind. So you get new knowledge to take you from point A to point B. I was literally, like yesterday, my children did not go to school. Okay, it was Martin Luther King's birthday. It was like 1 degree here in Chicago. I think like the highest was like 5 degrees. That was the high. I didn't do any delivery. I stayed home. Okay? And I didn't have to because I was able to make money from home by applying the digital marketing, the Pastor Rich's bundle. I mean, the digital marketing tactics. Learning how to promote myself on social media. Guys, there's people that need what you have to offer. They need it badly. People need what you have to offer. Okay? So, I mean, right now at this time, like you're like literally like without any excuse. You can make that money. You know, the question is, are you willing to break out of your comfort zone? You know, are you willing to take a step of faith? When I left nursing in 2020, I became a registered nurse in 2010, and I went through so much. I mean, it was so toxic. So I have 3 teenagers, but they were much younger then, you know. So I was going through a lot, and I was going through narcissistic abuse at home. Okay. Family didn't allow me to, you know. It was just like I was literally kept in a box. Everybody's mind was kept in a box. So therefore, it was like nursing was the only way that you can make money. But that's a lie. Okay, with social media and your phone, and you have Wi-Fi, you can reach people all over the world, from Australia to China to Germany to India to Sri Lanka. Learn how to make money with your phone. Okay, learn how to make money with your phone, and I included other packages. So if you want to run a mobile business, maybe that's better for you. Maybe you don't want to be on social media. Maybe you want to do the middleman business, connecting with people in your area, people that are doing whatever service they're doing, cleaning. Now I have a middleman cleaning business. Okay, where I'm able to get customers that reach out to me. So I have a car magnet sign, so when people see it, they can just easily call me. I don't do anything. I don't even pass out flyers. They see me and say, hey, oh, you have a cleaning? Oh, okay. So when they ask, now I leave it in my car. So when they ask, I can just take it out and just hand it to them. When they feel like calling, they call. They tell me, and this is people in the local area. You know, so I don't have to be running around every day doing delivery. I don't have to. Because I have all these different things that I'm able to do and make money from the comfort of my own home. Okay? So, I mean, what are we waiting for? Like, what are we like seriously waiting for? Okay? There is no excuse in 2025 to not be able to make money. And pretty easily. Okay? And then the Passive Riches Bundle, teaching you how to make money on social media by marketing whatever digital products, literally, but you can apply it to whatever you have. You can make money any day, anytime. And then more so, it has PLR, which is private label rights. Okay? So it has PLR rights so that you can customize it, put new pictures if you want, you know, right? And then put your own links. Put your own links. And resell it. You can resell the bundle together or you can resell it individually. Because it has so much information that you can resell it. So there's no excuse saying I don't have anything to sell. The reason why people are so stuck and they're still crying about their 9 to 5 is because they have not broken out of the box to think outside the box. A lot of people are stuck because they've been programmed, and I don't blame them. They've been programmed by society to think that the only way to make money is by getting that job, you know, that is toxic, dealing with those coworkers, and just literally being stuck, having panic attacks on Sunday night, knowing that you have to go to work on Monday. That was my life, guys, in nursing, healthcare. Stressing out, being depressed, not even really being able to be present with my family because of the stress I was going through at work. Like literally like losing myself. Until I said, you know what? I don't care who says what. I don't care whatever. I'm done with this. You know? There's people that are great for nursing, but it was not for me. And I honestly don't recommend it to any of my kids, my teenagers. I mean, I just really love the fact that like yesterday, I didn't even have to do delivery. I didn't even have to do delivery. Typically, my target for the day is about 200. Typically, my target for the day. I didn't even have to do that. I didn't have to use up any gas. I didn't have to do anything. It was cold, and I was like, well, you know what, today, I'm just going to sit down and just chill. But I still put out my videos, you know, because consistency is key, right? I put out my videos, and guess what? It paid off, okay? So you do need to promote your videos. I mean, promote your content, you know, but you can promote it on any social media platform. If you love Facebook, you can promote it on Facebook. If you love Instagram, if you love YouTube, I just love YouTube because I like to talk, okay? I do the long form, and it helps my watch hours, you know, because I'm still not monetized, but I'm still not monetized. But guys, I'm monetized because I'm monetizing myself. I'm not waiting for, because even when you get monetized, the YouTube pay or whatever, partner pay, it fluctuates up, down, whatever, you know. So I'm not depending on that. You don't have to put your earnings or whatever you make is in your hands. You don't have to put it in anybody's hands. I'm just using YouTube as a tool, you know, because I'm building my audience, right? And there's so many people right now that are fearful of losing their jobs, and some have actually gotten laid off this year. You know, so what if a person like that gets a hang of my Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle, you know, and gets the idea burning in their head? Learn passive riches, use the Passive Riches Bundle, and to teach them how to market effectively, brand on social media, the right hashtags and all of that, posting schedule, whatever. Or they apply the middleman business and start connecting with people in their area. Or they use the delivery guides with 72 different apps. So there's so many different ways, because I don't want people with, I want people to have, that's why I'm a believer in multiple streams of income. That's why I call it the multiple streams, multiple streams, multiple streams. So if you say, well, I don't like social media, I don't want to show my face, I don't want to do this, can't you do delivery? Can't you run a middleman business and make money from your phone? Guys, the average amount that I make every time somebody calls for my phone, I mean, somebody calls for cleaning, for a business that I don't even run myself, okay? People do the hard work. I just make money. It's $100. And then I dispatch the rest of the work to the cleaners. So you can turn any business that you already run physically, as long as there are other service providers in the area, you can turn any business into a into a stream of, I mean, to become a middleman business. You can turn any business into a middleman business. You can make money from anywhere, okay? You can take this bundle and make money from Australia. You can make money from Africa. You can make money from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection and a phone. Right now, I'm recording from my phone, okay? So there's no excuse, you know, unless you just like being broke, which I don't. I like to have money in my account, you know? So the ball is in your court, guys. Grab the Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle, only $49.99. Very priced, very cheap, very low, you know, so that anybody, the average anybody, doesn't have to save money or break the bank to be able to learn tools and skills and get the knowledge that can allow them to get from point A to point B and point D and on and on. I'm not a nurse anymore. I don't work as a nurse anymore, but I'm able to thrive. And I'm doing better and better every day because I'm getting new knowledge, okay? And it gets better, all right? So I'm going to leave the link to the Multiple Streams Masterclass Bundle. Like I said, it's only $49.99. I'm going to leave the link in my description, okay? Get started. There's no excuse. Get started. Grab it. Grab it now, right? And we spend $5, $6, $7 on a cup of coffee that we drink it and it's done. Why not get something that's actually going to make a difference? I have 3 teenagers. If I go to McDonald's right now and I want to get a meal for everybody, I'm going to be spending over $40. Okay, so for a family meal, for the amount that you would spend for a family meal, you can get started and start making money. Launch your online business, and you already have something to sell. You can resell the Passive Riches Bundle to your social media following or rebuild. Start from fresh. But I mean, there is a world of knowledge that will take you to the next level. I know that for sure because I'm applying it myself and it works for me. Okay, I think I'm going to stop there, guys. Set to achieve, and we are set to achieve in 2025. There's no excuse. We are without excuse in 2025, all right? All right, so like the video to share to more people, subscribe and join the family, leave your comments, and grab that bundle, guys, okay? God bless. Peace.